Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Ashad Hussain Pradhan. Welcome to my academy's online video class. Question type 4. A boat can go d kilometers in p hours against the current. It passes the same distance in q hours along with current. What is the speed of boat and current? একটি নৌকা স্রোতের প্রতিকূলে পি ঘন্টায় ডি কিলোমিটার পথ অতিক্রম করে। স্রোতের অনুকূলে ওই একই পথ কিউ ঘন্টায় অতিক্রম করে। নৌকা ও স্রোতের বেগ নির্ণয় করো। সলিউশন: উই নো ভি আপস্ট্রিম ইকুয়াল টু ভি boat minus ভি stream. Here upstream distance is d and upstream time is p equal to v boat, which we have to determine, minus v stream, which we have to also determine. This is equation number 1. We also know v downstream equal to v boat plus v stream. Same distance for upstream and downstream, and that is d. Time for downstream is q equal to v boat plus v stream. It is equation number 2. Now equation 1 plus equation 2, left side of both equation equal to v boat plus v boat equal to 2v boat. Therefore v boat equal to d by 2 into 1 by p plus 1 by q, which is the speed of boat. Again, subtracting 1 from 2, we get in left side d by q minus d by p. In right side, v boat vanishes, v stream plus v stream, 2v stream. Therefore, v stream equal to d by 2 into 1 by q minus 1 by p, which is the speed of current. That is the end of the class. Thank you all for watching the video class. For more videos, subscribe the channel.